Residents of Beeston Spring, a rural community in eastern Westmoreland, are yet to receive critical relief supplies more than a week after the passage of Hurricane Melissa. And as Jamaica Maitland reports, the main road is impassable and community members fear that another disaster could be looming.
Crowds of people linger outside a storage facility for care packages in White House, Westmoreland. Along the busy main road, police are monitoring the distribution by Good Samaritans. And while these citizens are thankful, there are those who are yet to receive anything.
The entrance point from here to Beeston Spring Point ends off at point. There's no further access point from this side. You'd have to go to New Market side.
Beeston Spring is located about 10 to 12 minutes from White House.
So right now in the hills, if you don't have gas and food, you're not going to survive.
And so, TVJ News journeyed to the community. First by car to a breakaway.
We never have no river before. I flood in a storm cause all of this.
Then by bike taxi to another breakaway.
So I finally made it to the top of Old Tom Hill. It's the main road that leads to several communities here in Beeston Spring. It's a rural community in eastern Westmoreland, and it's complete devastation. Now I'm standing knee-deep in what may seem like a river, but it's actually the road. And the residents, they were just quick to tell me the horrors of Hurricane Melissa.
And it's a complete devastation. The people here don't have any water, they need some food, and everything is just completely demolished.
Houses lay flat as if reminding the community of the horror of Tuesday, October 28th. Many residents say they have not ventured out since.
This is it. This is it, my people. You see it? The only way. This is it. At least 12 miles we have to go to get a little deeper drinking water right now, and a little tin of sardine or anything like that. The community is flush out.
The beauty of the landscape sucked out of the once vibrant hillside. Crops destroyed, animals washed away. And as nightfall creeped upon the community, the leafless trees that once provided them with food and shelter now hauntingly stare back at them. While our news team was leaving, frustrated relatives who brought critical relief for their families called out the government, opposition and member of parliament for the constituency.
I send it directly to Mark Golin, Dayton Canberra, Andrew Wanless. People don't want water down here, people literally are dead for thirst, dead for hungry, everything. People don't want chapel in, they don't have nothing now to sleep. The kids them literally, you can't see kids them, they don't know where, like them literally got dead. We need one copter to come down here, come drop some food for the people them.
Others simply could not allow their families to stay there. They're taking them back with them to live in Kingston, St. Andrew and St. Catherine. But for Kamar and his family, they have nowhere else to go.
Now this was where the family of 10 people stayed for 30 minutes. But according to them, it felt like 30 hours bunkering under here, sort of like a basement, their cellar, until the hurricane passed.
Because the base there is concrete and it's firm, so when the breeze was blowing, because it's this direction, like it couldn't really affect us. Right, so we were there and, cold and all that. We have life.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.